Hey there, people. So I decided to do this season in English, so hopefully you're gonna like it. So with that being said, let's roll that intro. So back in the old days, people either they knew things or not. So either they knew, they were aware of those information, or they were oblivious. It's binary. However, in our days, and quite simply, see, we know wrong stuff thinking that they are right. And this happens because of internet and because of media in general. So in our time, we're boxed in with social media, internet, journals, research papers that nobody pretty much looks at. When we are exposed to these information, sometimes we pick wrong information thinking that they were right, because see, we get information from links that pretty much take us to unreliable websites. Thanks to Sergey Brin and Larry Page, now we have something called Google. It's a search engine like all the other search engines, but it's preferable to a lot of people. Google sometimes takes you to links which are unreliable, so sometimes it takes you to Wikipedia. See, this website is quite unreliable. Why? Because it's modifiable. See, back in 2005, Jimmy Wales, the founder of Wikipedia, so he visited his own page, and to his shock, his page said wrong information about him. It said that he was co-founder of Wikipedia. That means he and pretty much somebody else established this website, which is quite incorrect. So he declared that he edited his page multiple times, and it stayed like it is, co-founder of Wikipedia. So since it's modifiable, that means all the information displayed there are not really sorted out by scientists, which makes it quite unreliable because anybody can write stuff there. So if you're looking for academic information, something to do on your research paper, Wikipedia is not a good place. And sometimes, see, Google takes you to social media accounts like Facebook or Twitter. Say, it takes you to links about the information you're looking for some people that have many and dozens of followers, assuming that many followers are a sign of reliability, which is quite, well, it's not right and wrong, it's irrelevant. It has nothing to do with that. So is Wikipedia a good place to pick up information? Hell no. So sometimes this leads to kind of an aggressive debate between you and somebody else about a subject, and you stand up to defend your ideas thinking that you have, well, the right ideas about them, but you're actually not, because you were supplied by information that are not accurate. Sometimes then they're not wrong, but they're quite biased. They show you the things that they want you to see, and they really hide everything else. So Wikipedia is not a good place. Logic. See, it's that domain that teaches you to think correctly. For example, let's give a mathematical equation. See, 6 plus 6 equals 12, but if you learn that 6 plus 6 equals, like, let's say 14 or 15, all the other mathematical equations are going to be wrong, because the building block of mathematics that you got is quite wrong. That means all the information, all the process that you're going to do after that is pissing into the wind. So if you're smart, like me, you're gonna search for reliable information from reliable websites. I'm gonna mention some of them right now, and all of them are gonna be mentioned in the description below. So to kick this off, Google Scholar is a good place to search for reliable information, because Google Scholar is peer-reviewed. That means it's sorted by the scientific community. That quite means that all the information you're gonna find there are portable document format, PDF. So pretty much everything there is a research paper that was sorted out. So it's a good place to start your research paper, or to pick correct information. Well, most of the time it's correct. And we have also Scientific American, Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, Springer. See, a lot of them. So I'm gonna mention most of them in the description. So after you finish this video, pretty much you can check them out. Last but not least, it's better to be ignorant. That means it's better not to have the information than to have the wrong information, which might result to a lot of issues, which pretty much happened historically. You can Google that. I don't have a lot of time to explain this here. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with the people you like, people you hate, no problem with that. And I'll see you soon. Yeah.